In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a typewriter text animation in Canva. To get started, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one that you want to edit. This can be any type of project, like a presentation slide, social media post, or video design. The important thing is that you're inside the Canva editor and ready to work with text. Once your design is open, go ahead and select the text you want to animate. If you haven't added any text yet, simply insert a text box first and type in your message. Then click directly on that text box so Canva knows that's the element you want to modify. This step is important because the animation options will only apply to the item you currently have selected. After your text is selected, look for the animate option in the toolbar. Click on it to open the animation panel. This is where Canva gives you different motion styles that can change how your text appears on screen. Animations are a great way to make your design feel more dynamic and polished, especially if you're creating content for video, presentations, or social media. Inside the animation options, choose Typewriter. This effect makes your text appear one character at a time, creating the look of someone typing the words live on screen. It's a simple effect, but it can be very effective when you want to reveal information gradually or add a clean, engaging visual style to your project. Once you select Typewriter, Canva will automatically apply the animation to your text. At that point, it's a good idea to preview the effect so you can see how it looks in context with the rest of your design. If needed, you can adjust your text placement, wording, or overall layout so the animation feels smooth and easy to read. A helpful tip is to keep your text relatively clear and not overly long when using this effect, since the typewriter style works best when viewers can comfortably follow the text as it appears. Short phrases, titles, and key points often look especially good with this animation. And that's it. Open or create your Canva design, select your text, click Animate, and choose Typewriter. Once applied, you'll have a clean typing animation that adds movement and interest to your design without making the process complicated.